Thanks for the ride.
Anytime.
Ready?
Absolutely not. Morning, sir. How can I help you today?
I need a ride. I'm late for a meeting.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
I need to go now. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. I'd love to take a test drive, please.
Okay. But I'm giving you the whole spiel. Sales pitch. Everything. Come on. If I can just give you the key. Right now, you're sitting inside the smartest Mercedes in the world.
Great. Can we,
This car will evolve with any driver.
Any driver?
Any driver. You can go now. Should we start setting up your personal driving profile? You know, face recognition will enable
I'm not really
you
into new tech.
But the
All
thing
those
about the
phony
facial recognition...
Silicon Valley types, you know? After business school, I thought about going there myself. Shaking things up a bit. Teaching them how...
Are you okay?
Totally chill, bro. My unicorn is in the streets. They're going to have told the hot web 3.0.
That doesn't mean anything. See, in the new E-Class, you can create your own digital space by customizing car functions. Just download your preferred apps or create so-called routines. For example, if you always want to initiate a massage when you come home from your unicorn work, your E-Class will offer to do that automatically the next time around.
That's what I expected. By the way, can you read the time for me?
Sure.
I say, the refinement, the elegance. Oh my God, there is another one. How exclusive. Oh, magnificent magic this carriage beholds.
It's wonderful, isn't it? For example, you could enchant one of your companions. The movie streaming with 5G. The car will only display the movie on the passenger display when the car is driving, so you will never be distracted whilst driving.
Witchcraft.
Just relax and chill.
Chill. Salutations, fellow Earthling.
See? You can redirect all your stress by playing Angry Birds.
You know, life can be so beautiful when you're in the moment.
And when you're in multi-contour leather seats, right? With the seat heating and ventilation. Our energizing coach makes sure you're at your most relaxed, suggesting suitable wellness programs. It can even take into account your pulse from your smartwatch to recommend breathing exercises. Also, Thermotronic with digital vent control will change to your comfort settings. All air vents in the front area can be adjusted electronically, as if by magic, to your desired ventilation scenario. Okay, I really don't want to kill your vibe, but what about your meeting, sir?
Time is an illusion, man.
Except for right now, I've got like 5 minutes. Then I think it's time Billy took over, my friend.
Billy? It feels like you're right in the music. With the acoustic glass, you don't hear any outside noise while discovering new artists. That's best-of-class acoustic comfort.
Been fun, love.
We're running low on fuel. Sell!
So the E-Class has a range around 100 kilometers on battery alone, so we should be absolutely fine.
Yeah, stupid thing doesn't even have WebEx. Come on!
The E-Class has WebEx, so just pull over and tap on the app. So is...
다시 공동하기 전에 랩칩이랑 블랙칩을 손에 넣어야 합니다. 오늘 저녁 안에 초대하세요.
Sorry,
Now we
sign
really
the
gotta go. 1 minute to go. Time is money, baby. Let's punch it.
You have reached your destination.
Oh, no more.
Hey. Sorry. Wasn't really myself today. Thanks for the ride.
Anytime.
Really?
No, absolutely not.
Nice car.